So before we get started on actually sourcing items online, we need to make sure we have the right tools in place. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get Google Chrome installed in your computer. You'll see that I currently use a Mac and mine's down here on the toolbar. If you use a PC, you can put it in your start menu. But before we do that, what I want you to do is I want to show you how to do it. So all you'll do is go on to whatever native web browser you have on your computer. If you use a Mac, it'll be Safari. If you use a PC, it'll be Internet Explorer. And you're going to type in Google Chrome into your search bar. Now, it's going to go to Google, and it's going to be the top listing here, and you're going to click it, and it'll say Google Chrome, and you kind of feel slightly weird about it. It's showing you crap of how it's used. All we need to know is we need to hit the download now button. It's a free web browser, so it's awesome to use. It's actually my personal favorite. But so you hit download now, you're going to accept and install, and it's going to actually download all of that to your computer. So you see on Safari it pulls it down here. So we're going to let it load for here for 1 second. If you would like the mobile application of it, you can actually get a text sent to you. I do use it on my iPhone exclusively because I love Chrome for some reason, and I like to have everything in one place, but that's completely up to you. So it looks like we're just about done here. There we go. So I'm going to double click, or I'm just going to click once on Google Chrome, and it's going to open this up. And PCs will be a little different because you have a different way of installing applications, but I just want to show you how you can do this on a Mac real quick. And while this loads, you're just going to follow the instructions that are on the screen. Macs are pretty straightforward. You just drag and drop, and once it's in there, you have it. On a PC, you're going to actually walk through the process, if any next, where you want it installed, blah, blah, blah. But it'll be on there, and once you have it, you can open it up, and you can see, okay, well, I now have Google Chrome. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually go in and, this is Google Analytics, how you can go in and install the right extensions here. But once you get Google Chrome up, please play around with it a little bit, get to know it and to use it, and then we'll be going, and this will be your home base for all of your online sourcing.